Hello everyone, how you doing? So, gonna make really simple, it's really easy pizza dough. That's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm then gonna show you how to make a really easy no cook pizza sauce. Then we're gonna make a couple of pizzas. There's a mushroom one there and I made a pepperoni one. It's so easy. Once you get the hang of this, you're gonna open up your own pizza place. Okay, so we're gonna start by making our dough. Now what we've got here is 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, sort of just room temperature water, it doesn't have to be hot. 2 tablespoons of oil, I'm using olive oil. 2 teaspoons of sugar, I'm using white sugar, I think that's better. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 1/4 teaspoons of an active yeast. All the details are going to pop up or they'll be below or something like that. Okay, we're going to get this into the mixer. Okay, so this is my bowl that goes onto my mixer. So there's the flour, the salt, the active yeast, the sugar, the little bit of oil, and the 1 cup of water in that goes. Very simply, you're going to stick that on the mixer nice and slowly with a dough hook. So I've got my dough hook attachment on there. I've got it on really nice and slow and I'm going to go for about 4 minutes. Okay, that's 4 minutes. Up she comes. Just pull everything off the hook. And there you go. I'm going to grab all of that there. I'm going to take that out. We can move on to the next step. Beautiful. All right, so I've got a bowl there which I've just put just a tiny amount of olive oil on. You can see that we've got this beautiful, really beautiful dough. And I'm just going to be folding it over on in itself just a few times like that. You know, so I'm sort of creating that at the back side, you know. We're going to pop that into the oiled bowl. I'm going to drizzle just a little bit more oil on that. And then we're going to get some shrink wrap, plastic wrap, cling film, whatever you call that, over that. Put that in your fridge, at least a couple of hours. But, you know, you can look at it tomorrow, but, you know, it will come up. It will sort of rise up a little bit. Then we've done that really easy. Okay, so minimum of 2 hours. I actually left mine overnight. So I made that dough really late last night. So here we are in the morning. Good morning, everyone. And look, as you can see, it's come right up. And it's beautiful. I can get that out now. Get rid of that. And you've got a lovely dough there. That's really, really nice. So look, the dough's done. It's so simple. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a really quick and easy no-cook pizza sauce. Just take a couple of minutes. Then we'll make a pizza. So we've made an incredibly easy, beautiful pizza dough. We're now going to make a really easy no-cook pizza sauce. Now there's lots of ways to make pizza sauce. This is just a really quick, beautiful way to do it. 1 can of tomatoes, 135 grams of tomato paste, or i.e. one of those little Tetra Pak things, you know what I mean? 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is really easy. Now that was a whole plum tomato. I've just roughly chopped that with my hand, just crush it with my hand. All we're gonna do is mix that together. You've done it. Okay, so mixing bowl, the tomatoes in, salt and pepper, the dried oregano, little bit of olive oil, and then the tomato paste. Now you can do it just like that. You don't even need to add the tomato paste if you don't want, but I'm just going to do it with the tomato paste today. Keep it nice and easy. Little mix. Job done. And that's it. So you've got really easy pizza dough, really easy pizza sauce. Come on, let's make a pizza. So we've done our dough, as you can see here. We've also just done that little sauce. What we're going to do now is I'm just going to break that in half. There you go. Set one aside. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just flour the surface. We're going to start to do the same again. Do you remember what we done last time? Make it nice and flat, nice and round. We can push it, put it down and push it. And then we're going to start to roll. I mean, you can, if you want, just do this by hand without rolling it. You can kind of just push it out and push it out, you know? Push it, turn, push it, turn. You see it's getting bigger. But yeah, a bit easier if you just roll it, to be honest. Flip it over. Roughly dust it up again. And get it as thick or as thin as you like, I suppose, can't you? That's beautiful. Look at that. A lovely pizza ready to go. Okay, so this one I'm going to do just a simple mushroom one, I think, just some fresh mushrooms. So again, you know, just push it out. It's really light and fluffy, this. It's really lovely, this. We can just roll it out a little bit. It's really easy to work with. And then again, it's just sauce, cheese, mushrooms, and then, well, anything you like really. You might want to put a few olives on that. I think I'll get some olives on this one. That'd be a good idea. Three spoons. Usually works out okay. Get it as nice and close to the edge. Let's get some cheese on there. Again, some grated mozzarella. I've got some sliced mush here. Just going to tip them on. I've cut them nice and thin. Going to spread them out. I'm going to get a little bit of oregano on the top, and I'm going to grab some olives. Just going to dot a few whole olives on there. I mean, of course, if you wanted, you could get the stone out of them, the stone's still in them, and slice them. But I like it just like that. Beautiful. In the oven, really hot, 8 minutes. Okay, and there you go. There's a little beautiful mushroom one out of the oven there. Really lovely. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love to you. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Amharic channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really appreciate all of you sending messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.